If you're waiting on the all clear signal for stocks, you might have to keep waiting. Hey, I'm Luke Downey. I am going over our latest insights piece, and boy, is it a good one. We are in the late days of August, and we all know volumes are dry. We know that there's a lot of volatility, but I think there is a little bit more downside for stocks before we get a nice rally. So let's go into the data now. So people might be wondering, man, what does the all clear signal look like for stocks? Well, let's go ahead and look at what it doesn't look like. It's a lot of words, a lot of likes, but this is all that matters, is the flow of data. We're looking at the big money index. As a reminder, this is showing you the demand for stocks. If this line is going down, less buyers, more sellers. That's what we've been seeing in August. And if you think that we're late to the party, no, we've been talking about this since late July. August is just known for the time when traders go on vacation. They are out at the beach, they're sipping rosé. They are not focused on stocks. That volume, it just gets sucked out of the market and stock prices follow. So when this line is heading lower in a straight line, we know that there is destruction under the surface. So if you're waiting for the all clear signal, you probably want to wait for that yellow line to start making its way higher, because that's when you know stocks are ready to move higher. Let's go a little bit quicker here. Look at the daily buys and sells. The peak in the BMI, it was literally at the peak of the market. Why is it under pressure? Well, you can see it so clearly. These are the buy signals every single day in green. These are the red signals. What's a red signal? That means stocks that are trading on above average relative volume and they are breaking down. That is indicating sell pressure. What's the main point here? Buying has completely vanished. Selling is starting to perk up. That is why the BMI is falling. That is similar to the tide just going out of stocks. But let me tell you why I still think there's a little bit more downside over the near term. If you break the BMI apart, it's 25 days moving average of buys and sells. Here's where data gets powerful and can give you a forward look at what's coming. Here I've circled about 8 days that are set to roll off of the BMI. Their buy ratio averages at 87%. Okay, that's overbought. That's unsustainable buying. Then when you look at the last 3 weeks, it tells you what the real story is. The buy ratio has dropped to 41%. So remember, that is that line that I showed you earlier, dun, 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 where it is falling hard. It's because selling is increasing, buying is decreasing. That is how the market works. So again, if you're waiting for the all clear signal for stocks, you're going to want to see these red bars start to get a little bit shorter, these green bars start to get a little bit longer, and that is going to tell you that fresh money is coming into stocks. Here's the last way you want to visualize the market. It really flows in 4 easy to remember stages. Stage 1, huge buying and little selling, think FOMO. Stage 2, buying slows, selling grows. Stage 3, which is where we ended up in early August, this is buying slows further, selling takes over. And then you guys know what stage 4 is. That's when there are no buyers, sellers are in control. All the headlines are telling you that it's end of days. You know that that's nonsense. But I'm gonna leave you with one last quote because I'm all about surfing right now. As super surfer Laird Hamilton once said, surfing's one of the few sports that you look ahead to see what's behind. Shouldn't we all think about the market that way as well? Hey, I'll see you guys next time. Remember, none of this is any personalized advice. Do your own research. Until next time.